In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In this video, we will learn how to perform wudu correctly, as prescribed in the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. 1. Intention, niyah first. Make the intention in your heart to perform wudu for purification. You don't need to say it aloud. 2. Washing the hands. Start by washing your hands up to your wrists 3 times, making sure the water reaches all parts of your hands. 3. Mouth and nose. Mouth. Madmadha, take water into your mouth and swish it around 3 times. Nose. Istinshak, sniff water into your nostrils and blow it out 3 times. 4. Washing the face. Wash your face 3 times, from the hairline to the chin and from ear to ear. 5. Washing the arms. Wash your arms, from the elbows to the fingertips, 3 times. Ensure the water covers every part. 6. Wiping the head. Wipe your head once with your wet hands, starting from the front and moving to the back, then returning to the front. 7. Washing the feet. Finally, wash your feet up to the ankles 3 times, ensuring that water reaches between the toes. Wudu is not just a necessary step before prayer. It's a purifying act of worship that brings us closer to Allah. Follow these steps carefully to ensure you are fully purified before praying.